Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity, Cancers, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So these are the cards for your general reading, guys. This card is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. Cancers. So let's start with these cards here. We have the Empress in reverse, Astrologer of Spheres in reverse, guys, and Abyss of Stars in reverse. So with these cards, guys, in your situation, guys, Cancers, you are in a circumstance, maybe there is someone who is quite close to you. So this person, it's a woman, guys, it's a woman. It may be your sibling, mentor, or a friend who's really close to you and who is really important to you in your life. So this person is influencing you in some ways. Maybe they are trying to dominate you or they are trying to influence your decisions, and it is simply worrying you because you cannot listen to their suggestions. You simply cannot, and what they are suggesting is something you cannot do, and it is stressing you because of that. Because of that, you feel really stressed because you cannot obey this person or listen to their ideas or implement those ideas in your life today, guys. And you feel really discouraged, in a lot of worry because of that, because you feel that you cannot do anything like that what they are telling you, and you don't want to make any important decisions because this person is telling you something and you don't want to implement all those ideas in your life today. And maybe that may be the reason you just are pushing away certain decisions. Maybe some important decisions are there, you are in the verge of making those important decisions, but you don't want to make them because of this person in your life today, guys, and the way they are uh, trying to control your decisions today. So you feel really you cannot listen to them, listen to their ideas, and this may be something good, guys. The presence of this person in your life and the circumstance, it may be it may not be a person, it may be just your circumstance forcing you certain things, but you're not willing to do that. But it is for something good because you are analyzing your situation today, analyzing your life, and then making a choice, guys. So you know the truth and you are seeing things more deeply than before because of this situation in your life today, guys. So it may be a circumstance in your work, or it may be a circumstance in this relationship, and the presence of this person or presence of this circumstance is opening your eyes, making you see the truth today, and making you see what is the most important thing and what is needed for you in your life today, guys. And it is giving you a better understanding, see, making you see things with a different perspective, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have the Sun in reverse. So though this card is in reverse, guys, it is a very positive card here. So maybe there may be some misunderstandings, some problems in this love, but I see that it is all going to resolve and you will see things in a better light very soon, guys, in this connection. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have Nine of Suns. So with this card in your career situation, guys, in your work, you are maybe feeling really frustrated by seeing the way things are. You have a lot of skills and talents, and you are implementing all that, but still you may see some delays, some suspensions, and you need to work again, reassess your situation. But I see that for some of you, it may be because of someone at work. So this person is posing as a threat for you. So if you are cautious and skilled enough, you will be able to overcome your difficult situation, Cancers. So that is the reading for you all today, Cancers. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. You can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is the card. For those who chose this card, it says TikTok. So this card just means that there is a divine timing working in our situation, guys, working in our life. And we need to understand that whatever is happening in our life, we should let go of the need to shape each and every moment according to our expectation, knowing that what is ours will always be ours, and there is no need for us to worry, no need for us to make a lot of efforts for that, because what is destined to be ours will always be ours. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So the same way in our relationship, we have a particular cycle, guys, each and every one of us, just like the cycle, the physical cycle of our body, it has a particular productive cycle. The same way our love, whatever is preordained, cannot change. So everything has its season, and at the appropriate timing the right relationship will come towards us, and we will be in we should just be ready to receive it, nurture it and enjoy it at that time, at that right time. And we need to understand that this clock is eternal and it ticks according to the beating of our heart, guys. And the love that is destined to be with us will always be on the right time, and we need not worry, guys. So at the right appropriate timing, everything will be ours and we can relax and no need to worry. So maybe in your life today, you are expecting certain things and you are worried that you are losing time. Maybe right now you just have to relax, just see what is going on in your present life and be happy for what is happening today and be content with that, because at the appropriate timing whatever you expect will come true, but you need to just wait, guys. That is the energy with this card for those who chose this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, it is cooperate. So with this card, it just means that we have to be more cooperative. We have to have that sense of community in our life, guys. So at times of difficulty, we always work with people. We cooperate selflessly and we help to build our family and community. And when we work with people, it helps us to go over the differences we have with each other. It helps us to build bridges where there was only division in our life. So, the same way in your relationship today, maybe it is time for you to cooperate with this other person. Maybe guide them or help them out in whatever way possible. You need to work together as a team, encourage each other's skills and talents, and work together, so that way great things can be achieved in your life for you. And when you work together, when you put both your strengths together, you become a very strong team, and you are able to find better solutions for yourself. And when you work together with this other person in this relationship, maybe you are having some troubles in this connection, you want to change the way things are, you need to go for this attitude, guys. Work towards that problem to solve it together with both of you giving inputs, so that way you will be able to find a better solution for the troubles you are facing in your relationship today, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose the second card, that is the reading for y'all, guys. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.